All right. Holy. Good morning. Good afternoon. Or good evening. Wherever it is you are in the world. Hope it's a good one. We here, baby. We here. Holy. Happy Friday, chat. Happy Friday. It is don't fuck it up Friday, chat. You know what I mean? It's don't fuck it up Friday, chat, you know? We are going to be trading our Tradeify funded accounts today. We are going to be working towards our third payout on these accounts. We just took a payout on Tuesday, and we had a green day on Wednesday and a green day yesterday. So we have a green day today. That would put us close to around $1,000. If we have a green day today and it's our average green day, that'll put us close to around $1,000, about 1,200 or so away from a third payout of these accounts. So patience. A+ setups we feel good about, and just take profits. That's all we're gonna do. We can literally just scalp our way to a third payout. So that's what we're gonna do. Patience, profits. Patience, profits. Patience, profits. Say it with me, chat. Patience, profits. So what's gonna be? G-Man, good morning. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. It's gonna be a good day, chat. It's gonna be a good day. We have caffeine, testosterone, NAD, and creatine all flowing through the veins at one time. Excuse me if I say some off the wall shit today, because I just might, chat. I just might. Holy. Trader's Nest. Good morning. How are you doing? Marika. Hello. Brandon, good morning. Brad Eubanks, what up, man? How you doing? Brad, I'll be let's see. When am I coming down there? I think I'm coming down like maybe in a couple weeks. I'm not sure, but if I'm down there in a couple weeks, I'll let you know. We'll link up. She says, oh boy. Amar, market is already too much now. Yeah, it is down a lot. Yeah, market's getting cooked. Presley, I see you in the Tradeify tourney, bro. Listen, dude, how you up so much? How are you up so much, dude? God dang, Presley. Chat, y'all want a straight to funded account today? I'm feeling generous. I'm thinking about giving away a straight to funded account today. Looking forward to the evening session. Yes. You know what? I was gonna ask my chat, all of you guys, and all of you in Discord, if y'all wanted to do it. Like, I'm down to do like the third class or the third video of the series at 6 today. But I mean, if y'all don't want to spend your evening doing that, like, I'm down to do it during the afternoon stream. You know what I mean? So you guys let me know, bro. Either way, we're doing the third video of the free day trading series that I'm putting up on YouTube, right? We're doing that today. Originally, we were going to do it like 6 p.m. Central Time, but I'm like, you know what? Maybe people don't want to spend their Friday evening like sitting at a computer screen watching a day trading class. You know what I mean? So would you guys rather do it like during the afternoon stream today? Like, say like right after market close? Or would you rather do it at 6 p.m. Central Time? I'm asking you guys and my Discord. So whatever you guys want to do, man. We can do that. We can do either. Market's gonna be open here in about 14 minutes. So we got some time. Let's take a look at the charts here. Let's talk about what we're looking for, what we're looking at. Looking at the NQ here. This is going on a 15-minute time frame. Zoom out a little bit, take a little peek. What we're looking for. Have a nice level down here at 800 that I'm looking for. If the market decides it wants to continue getting bearish, to be honest, if we break 800, I see no reason why we don't test. Oh, actually, that's pretty far away. 400. I don't know if we get 400. That's a long ways away. I'll be looking for like this area. Maybe look for that like 900 to 700 level down here to get tested. Do we get down there today? Probably don't know, bro. I don't know. That's a lot. That's a long ways. So we'll be watching for this level to start with. And if we get here, we'll see how we're acting around 800. Like I said, I don't think we get all the way down here, but we'll see. We'll see. But I think this level is pretty feasible for today if bears want to get bearish. If not, if the bulls decide they want to step up today, definitely going to be watching pretty much in this zone. If you remember yesterday, chat, we had a really just massive consolidation zone right here. And for whatever reason, 360s or 350s, sorry, we could not get above 350s. Like I was watching I was sitting through all of this and I was just like, man, if we could get above here, right? I feel like we could see the bulls could really take control. But if you notice, like we got here, right? Or excuse me, we built a resistance here. We sold off, got above it here, but then sold right back off. Try to get it back above there, sold off. Try to get back above here, sold off. So we know that this level is going to be absolutely massive. If bulls decide they want to step up and move us up there, that's going to be a huge level. If we get above that, I expect bulls to take control and we come all the way at least 50% of that move that we had. So that's just kind of what I'm looking for. We'll see what the market decides it wants to do. We have options, right? So our job as traders is to react to what the market decides it wants. But at least we know we have those levels to watch for there. So, oh baby, oh baby, oh baby. Caught a 470 point short yesterday. Holy Presley. Sheesh. The crucial. How you doing? What is your plan for the day? Stream again in the afternoon? Yes. Yeah, we're streaming morning and afternoon today. Feeling good today, chat. Feeling good today. Bo, Ayo, what up, dudes? How's it going on this beautiful Friday morning? Let's go. It's going. It's going. It's going. It's going. Mickey. How you doing, Mickey? How you doing, Mickey? Chat, y'all see in crypto, is Bitcoin still under 100K? Oh, it's teetering 100K. Bitcoin is teetering. Chat, is crypto technically in a bear market? Hold on. Wait. Where's my... Technically, chat, that's crazy. Technically, crypto, if you're speaking on technical terms, crypto or Bitcoin especially is in a bear market. We are actually 20% off highs. So technically, crypto is in a bear market since we are 20% off highs. from technical terms. Now, whether we buy right back up, who knows? But if you're talking technical, it's a bear market. That's crazy. What's going on with my internet, bro? Can't have my internet going all weird when I'm in trades. I've been seeing a lot of people getting liquidated on crypto, which is no bueno. No bueno, which is why you should never be trading leverage at all-time highs. Well, trading leverage at all-time highs, like you're bound to get margin called. All right, Mickey. Good luck today, bro. Good luck today. We have about 8 minutes till market open. Chat, here's a question. Do we do a straight funding giveaway this morning or in the afternoon? What do we do? He says morning. Why did I know? Why did I know that we were gonna do? Y'all were gonna say morning, bro. Oh yeah, Lamar's saying afternoon. Morning is for afternoon, or morning is for trading focus. Wow, I'm actually really shocked at you guys. Okay, y'all are really focused. Y'all locked in, baby. I love that. All right, we'll do it in the afternoon. We'll do it in the afternoon. Trading for 4 years to my first payout. Golly, holy Don. Congrats, dude. GG's. Love that. Love that, love that, love that. Chat, y'all want to take a selfie with me real quick? Hold on. Josh should get banned for not wanting a duck race. Chat, take a selfie with me. Hold on. I need y'all to smile, bro. Smiles in the comments. I need y'all to smile to take a selfie with me. It's got to go on the story, bro. Y'all ready? Chat, let me know. Y'all ready? I'm waiting on you guys. Smiles in the comments, bro. So we take that selfie. There we go. Getting a few of them coming in. Getting a few of them coming in. Perfect. Let's do it. Selfie time. Wait, hold on. We gotta zoom out a little bit. Boom, there it is. Selfie. That's going on the Insta. All right. We got about, let's see, we got about 6 minutes, chat, or 5 minutes till market open. We'll see how the market is feeling today. Let's take a look at news real quick before market opens. Make sure we're not missing anything here. Since the government is still shut down, we did not get non-farm payroll. We do have Michigan sentiment at 9. That can inject some volatility. That's really it. I mean, there's the Fed inflation expectations, but that's not red folder, that's yellow folder. So I don't really see that in doing much. So really 9 o'clock Central Time, chat. We have Michigan sentiment. That's really it. G-Man, I don't want to talk about it, bro. I don't want to talk about it. All it took was one trade yesterday for me to lose my place that I had. And then I was like, I can't have this. I can't have it, bro. Technically I could reset if I wanted to, but I still have resets. But I was like, you know what? I'm not going to. Like, I'm just gonna focus on my fundeds. I'm gonna try to get payouts. I need to check my personal account and my funded account, so I'm just gonna focus there. But it took one trade yesterday to set me back a lot, and then I was like, at that point, like I tried to get it back. To be honest, I would never trade that way in fundeds or personal, but in the tournament, it was kind of like an F it moment. Let's just say that I caught a falling knife yesterday badly. Badly. I thought about resetting too. I really did. I thought about resetting and just trying to see what I can do between yesterday and today on the reset. And then maybe staying and getting back in the top 200 next week, but I just decided not to. Because to be honest, like I want to get to another payout. We're trying to get our personal account. Our personal account's getting close, chat. We're building our personal account to $100,000, right? And we're getting close. So we're trying to just constantly get more payouts with prop firms. And we're funding the personal account with all payouts. Like I could deposit 100K in there and be fine, but it's a goal to grow the personal account up to 100K by nothing but trading profits, right? Trading the account itself, but then prop firm payouts that I get go straight into the personal and getting it to 100K. And chat, we're close. So we're gonna focus up on that. Remain focused on the important part of why I'm trading. Also too, chat, one thing I've noticed about myself in trading in tournaments, and this may not be everybody else too, bro, it stresses me out. Like I really get, I don't get stressed with trading. I don't get emotional. I'm pretty good about managing emotions and stuff with trading. But man, trading tournaments, when you have to like constantly YOLO just to place, like it's stressful, bro. Like I can tell you this, between Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday trading the tournament account, I had a headache every day. Every single day I had a headache. Like I love tournaments for like the community aspect and getting involved like the community and doing things like that, but like trading them to win, like it's just, bro, it gave me such a headache. Like it actually stressed me out. And the tournament with the BDH too, that one stressed me out as well. But I love tournament. I love that the community aspect of them. They're great for that. Are you planning for long? I don't really know yet. We marked levels earlier. We marked levels earlier, but we're going to be waiting, just kind of see what happens with what the market wants to do, because I'm still a little skeptical about longs. but I was not focused on my own accounts. Yeah, it's like trading tournaments. Like I feel like if I didn't have a goal that in trading that I was like trying really hard for right now, I feel like I would be like maybe put more effort and energy into tournaments, but I'm in that same boat where it's like if I put a lot of energy in those right now, and then like I step away from the goal that I'm trying to reach, and it's like I don't want to be in a weird spot trading a tournament account and then bringing that weird spot back over to my fundeds, if that makes sense. Like I want to be clear-headed and focused on what I'm truly trying to achieve here. And so I don't know, like tournaments, they're great. Like I feel like there should be more of them. And maybe when I get to like what I'm trying to achieve, I would trade a tournament more with more ease. But now I just want to make sure that I get to where I want to be before the end of the year. All right, Nasdaq did see some selling out the open there. We did break below that low there at 63, and we are seeing some weakness come through on the Nasdaq. So a little skeptical on longs, chat. A little skeptical. I think we're gonna be looking for shorts today. The bias is to the downside, just as continuation from yesterday. Getting back in the 24,000s seems pretty likely, unless we get a random spike of buyers. But 24,000 seems likely. I mean, we're right there. We got about 40 points away from being back on the 24Ks. So just watching to see what the market does. We got time. We're gonna be patient today. Looking for really just one, maybe two good setups to take, and that's what we're gonna call it off that. A one and done Friday is a beautiful Friday. Give us a one and done and we'll be happy. Chat, how was y'all's week? How did y'all manage the week? I know we had a lot of selling pressure. We had a lot of volatility, big candles yesterday. I'm sure a lot of people blew up yesterday, a lot of blown accounts. How was y'all's week? How did y'all do? Took a small L last night. Trading gold has caught this short to get back to breaking for the nice. Well, good job. Don't fuck it up Friday. You know what I mean? So just if you're back to break even, feel free to just sit back. Nice mismention. To be honest, I'm shocked I haven't blown the tourney account. Hey, at least you haven't blown it. Up 250. Oh, bro, listen, that's a good Friday. Don't lose it on a Friday. Don't lose it. Lock it up. Green on most accounts and slight red on another. Nice. Took a payout this week also. Sid, holy GG's, baby. Love that. Been extremely patient and disciplined this week, hey. And that got you to a payout. Crazy, huh? How being patient, disciplined, grounded gets you to a payout. That's crazy, right? Already locked it up. Good. Good. Sit back and enjoy a possible rant from JF. You already know, but listen, the rant might come today. Even chat, y'all might get a rant today, bro. You might. Well, like I said at the beginning of the stream, bro, we have testosterone, caffeine, creatine, and NAD all flowing through the veins at one time. Y'all might get a rant today. Y'all might get it. Holy. What up, Paul? I locked it up as soon as I got back to even on the day. There you go. Trading gold all weeks, up 700. Not gonna have this up. There you go, Don. There you go. Don't do it. Chat, look at the selling coming through here. It'll look like we're going back 24Ks. Trading, I live for the rants. There you go. Chat, listen, I can feel one coming, bro. I really can. I can feel one coming. Maybe, I don't know. I've had some things on my mind, chat. So I don't know if somebody sparks it, we might get one. Chat, look at the selling here. We're coming back down to 24,000s. Haven't been here in a minute. Coming back down to the 24Ks. Chat, that level where we were talking about before market open. We are getting down into it. See here. We are getting down into it. That was the feasible level we saw coming into play. Now, we'll see how we react if we get down in there. If we run this with some serious aggression, then we might actually go deeper. That's what she said. But we may actually go deeper down into the 500s. I mean, we could. I wouldn't hold it past the Nasdaq, to be honest. Should bounce off 24,943. We'll see. We shall see. Nasdaq getting very heavy. Very, very heavy. Chat, ask yourself one question. Have you hit the like button? Have you? Ask yourself. If you haven't, all it takes is 1 second to use your thumb and hit the like button. Have a thumb war with it. You know what I mean? Hit it with some serious aggression. All right, down in the 930s. We are moving lower, baby. Moving lower, moving lower, moving lower. Gold reaching a 3-hour support level. I mean, Nasdaq is just getting beat up at the moment. Mag 7, looking at the Mag 7 here, we got Nvidia down 3%, Tesla down 4%. Jesus. Amazon down, Meta's down, Apple's break even. Bitcoin back under 100K. Chat, y'all might be getting your red light therapy today from the market. Holy, you might be getting the red light therapy today. Don't try to go picking bottoms when the market's bearish. Let it be bearish. We really sunk through 25,000s. I mean, we got down to 918s. Market's moving. Moving and grooving. Moving and grooving, baby. Holy. Chat, give me a second. I'll be right back. All right, we're back. All right, buyer's trying to catch a little bit of a bid here. Little bit of a bid. Back up in like the back up in the 90s, chat. I wouldn't be opposed to shorting. Small position size, getting short. If we get the 90s, I don't know if it's gonna give it to me though. Looking like we're already trying to come back down. Already trying to come back down. Okay, here we go. Catching a little bit of a bid. Maybe a retest of 25,000s. Buyer's getting pretty strong here. We'll see if they can get us back in 25Ks or if we reject 25K. Nice, Mickey. $24.5K profit. Nice. How many accounts? Miss K is in the building. What's up, K? Where you been at, G? Huh? Where you been at? 17 accounts. Nice. Knox in the building says, island blessing from Bermuda. Holy. Knock, it's what they say about the Bermuda Triangle. Is that real? This case has been working, Jay. Missing your pretty bald head. Listen, I thought you were out cheating on me or something. You posted one on the Discord server? Oh, nice. Getting back in the 25Ks possibly. Getting a little, maybe a little retest of it. Maybe getting a little retest. G-Man's long gold right now. That's a pretty strong bounce on gold. I'm looking at it right now. That is a pretty strong bounce. Testing a key level here. Getting back in the 4,000s, G-Man. That gold, that long gonna be looking real nice. That long will look real nice, G. Yes, my accounts get lost all the time. What up, BB? You guys reclaimed 6,690. Hello, reject. What the heck, bro? Oh, I should have took my 90s short. What the hell? Missed my 90 short there, holy. That'd have been a quick 50 points. A real quick 50. All right, let's take 3 micros short here. We missed our entry, but we'll take 3 micros. Get to the lows, I'll add 2. It's annoying we missed our 90s there. That's okay. My entry here is just trash, but we'll see if we get the move here. That's why we're taking a very small entry, chat, because I'm not taking a full position size on this because of my entry. We're gonna see if we can get the lows a run. If not, we'll just get out of it. Which we're buying up again. That's not ideal. That's not ideal. Okay. All right. Getting out of that. That's why we only took it on 3 micros. Because of our entry. All right. Well, 0 for 1 on the day. 0 for 1. I got one more loss in me, and then we'll call it a day on a Friday. I'm not going to let it spiral. 0 for 1 ski. Glad we didn't take it on full position size because our entry was not great. But I thought after having the rejection and the 90s level that we originally called out of it selling from, thought maybe we'd get continuation of the lows. We do have news coming out in 10 minutes too, chat. Keep that in mind. News in 10 minutes. There's no way, right, chat? Look at this. Oh, that's painful. That is actually painful. And it's coming right back down. Painful. Is it gonna run the lows, chat? Is it gonna run the lows? Was our trade idea right? Or is it gonna buy up? We do have news coming out, like I said, in 10 minutes, chat, so be aware of that. Be aware. What other charts do I generally watch when I'm trading? I mean, I have trading view pulled up on multiple monitors. So I'm watching like 15 minutes, 30 minutes, different time frames to get an idea of like bigger picture along with the lower time frame. That way I can like plan my entries based off that. But I'll watch like NQ, gold, other instruments, just for extra confluence as well, ES. But I'll have like higher time frames up on other monitors, just like you'll see me look at like other monitors for like higher time frames and trade ideas. That way I don't gotta like flip time frames on like just the one chart here. Buyers are actually trying to hold this. Well, let's see if they do. See if they hold it. Big move, getting back into the 25,000s. Back in the 25Ks. Very nice move here. Very nice move here. Do have news coming out in 7 minutes. So be aware of that. What's this song called? I have no idea. It's just on a YouTube like playlist for like creators. It's like non-copyright music for creators. So I have no idea. I can look in a second though. Trying to see if we're gonna get weakness here. Nasdaq really teetering these 25,000s. Watching it closely here. Really trying to get back in those 25Ks on NAS. Yes.
Which character?
Avery, hey, go watch TV, okay? All right. Is Nasdaq gonna hold here, or are we gonna reject the 25Ks? 25Ks. Buyers looking like they're trying to hold it. It's kind of a tug of war here. Kind of a tug of war. News in 5 minutes. Buyers still trying to push us up higher. Michigan sentiment. That's the news that comes out at 9 Central. Sid, you did call it. Yep, you did call it. That was a good call, sir. Market kind of chilling out here. Looks like volume has lowered a little bit, probably just based on the fact that we have news coming out soon. Market is moving to the upside. We're back in those 25Ks. We'll see if buyers want to try to hold us in 25Ks here. Oh, nice, Bill. Yeah, YouTube's got, I mean, for like non-copyright music for creators, like they have some good stuff. Buyers really trying to move us to the upside here. They are not holding back. Not holding back. Are they going to take us back to VWAP, chat? Holy. That is some strong buying. Strong, strong, strong buying. Yeah, I would say, yeah, Carrie, we got news coming out here in a couple minutes. Come a little bit of sellers. Maybe retesting 25,000. A pop back below 25,000, I don't think is going to be very good. But we do have that red folder or the orange folder news coming out here soon. Getting some decent selling coming through here. Popping, we're coming down to retest 25,000. See what happens here on news. Popping down a little bit. Retesting those 90s. Coming down to the 70s there. We are back below 25Ks, which is not a good look. Not a good look. News dump, yeah. Yeah, that's why you gotta watch out for those news events, because they will trap you. They will trap you. Gold and Nasdaq do the same move. Let me take a look at gold. Let me take a look at gold. Gold is back above 4,000. G-Man, you still on that gold long? That gold long is looking really nice. Back above 4,000, 4,005 testing VWAP here. Took profits on a trail stop loss. Nice. GG's. Love that. Love that. Comes some more buyers on the Nasdaq chat. This the Nasdaq's very volatile right now, so you definitely need to be careful. Like, these are some big movements, big candles, so it's definitely like a day to size down. It is a Friday, so it's definitely a day to size down, trade lower size. That way you don't really get blown out by the volatility, because these candles are big. I mean, looking at the 1 minutes here, like even just this candle right here, that's a 60.1 minute candle, chat. This candle here. Looking at this one here, that's a 54.1 minute candle. Like, these candles are huge, right? So be careful. I mean, even looking at the 5 minute, right? Look at the 5 minute candles. If you check out the 5 minute from here to here, 83 points. This dump here was a 141.5 minute candle. This candle here, this news candle, 81 points and getting bigger. Like, it's, chat, this is not a day to trade full size at all. Like, you can, this is the day to easily get smoked. Any solid trades? No, we took one trade. We're down just very little. We took a very small position size. How do you do that? In TradingView, it's the ruler. There. And you just measure it. Like, these, chat, these candles are absolutely massive, dude. So, like I said, it's don't F it up Friday, bro. Just relax. The volatility is nice. It's nice that we're getting volatility, but extreme volatility where the candles are huge can be dangerous. So what your normal position size is, I would definitely cut it by like almost in half, to be honest. We are testing these lows here at 43s. Looking on the higher, oh wait, let me get to the higher time frame on Nasdaq. I mean, 800s, chat. 800s. I'll show you what I'm talking about. $800s. That's the next level I'm watching, man. These account liquidating conditions, they really are. Like, these movements is where accounts get liquidated. And there's probably going to be a lot of them. Just don't be one of them. Trade small. Already green. I'm locked out for the week. Got my first Tradeify payout and passed my second account, baby. Let's go. GG's. Nice, Mr. Bond. Is your first name James? I feel like it needs to be. Gotta be. I might change it. I think you need to. I think you need to have a conversation with your parents. Be like, yo, why didn't you name me James Bond? Like, I feel like that needs to be a conversation y'all have at Thanksgiving dinner. You know what I mean? Like, that's a kitchen table conversation. You know what I mean? Taking the rest of the year off to focus on psychology, Gary, for the next year. Nice, nice. Sometimes that's needed. All right, that 800 level is coming into play, chat. We're getting close. That low there is at 804. We're trading 888.7 right now. I mean, given the fact how big these candles are, I wouldn't be surprised. I wouldn't be surprised. Chat, as a reminder, this afternoon we'll be live. We're doing a straight to funded account giveaway this afternoon. So you're going to want to be there for that. And then also we might do the third video of the free day trading series in the afternoon session after market close. We might do it then instead of 6 p.m. Central Time, because I really don't want to take up your guys' time on a Friday evening. So we might just do it after market close. So make sure you're around for that. It's going to be a good one. It'll also be a shorter one too. I feel like I said that in the last one and it ended up being like 30 minutes, but I feel like this one's going to be a little bit shorter. Also keep in mind too, we are running a giveaway right now, a monthly giveaway every month, where if you use code JM at Tradeify, that gives you a entry to win a $150,000 straight to funded account giveaway, right? 150K straight to funded account with Tradeify. You can have multiple entries. So if you buy 5 accounts using code JM, that's 5 entries. So all you got to do there is use code JM, send me a screenshot in Discord, and we will that'll enter you for that giveaway. Oh, these buyers really showing up here. Buyers really showing up. Looking like we're gonna go back to the 25Ks. Like this volatility is insane, chat. It really is. Isn't some volatility? I mean, these 1 minute candles, bro. 50.1 minute candles are insane. Roller coaster on the charts. It really is. Like, this is some wild movement. I like it. I mean, I love the volatility. Just you gotta trade extra cautious and safe, right? Coming back up to retest 25,000. D-Nice, yes. Speak it into existence, baby. Holy. Speak it into existence. All right, we're back in the 25Ks, chat. Wow. Look at this buy. Wow, wow, wow. Crazy price action it is. Like, it's actually wild. Unfortunately, a lot of people are going to mess it up on a Friday today. Just given the roller coaster we're having already. Unfortunately, people are going to mess it up today and go into the weekend on a massive red day. This is where, like, I think this is where people don't understand how to adapt, right? Because there's different market conditions. There's volatile conditions, and then there's slow movement, less volatile. There's big rangy days. Like, market's always given different conditions, right? I think where people mess up is they don't understand how to adapt to it. Like days like today, like I wouldn't trade full size at all. I wouldn't. Like, this is where I size down and see profit, take profit, because of how volatile we are. Whereas like other days that might be less volatile like this, and more cleaner, so to speak, like I would trade full size. But this type of price action on a Friday is definitely not full size conditions. I think that's where people don't really understand. They think they need to trade the same position size every day, and like that's how you blow your accounts, because you don't understand the different types of market conditions. Actually, what's the VIX at right now? I'm pretty sure the VIX is probably up. Yeah, VIX is up. Yeah, VIX is up 6.9%. Holy. Hold on. If we get a VIX that's like, yeah, VIX has been on an uptrend. If we get a VIX back in the 25s to 30s, chat, you can expect some volatility. That's some good PA action. A VIX back in the 25s to 30s would be great. Appreciate you, nice. Yes, we've had a really great year this year, chat. I mean, we've had a very profitable year. I would say this is definitely between prop firm payouts and my personal account, I would say this has probably been my biggest trading year. And obviously, there's people that have done more than me, and with prop firms. But this year, we're on the verge of pulling 100K out in payouts from prop firms. We might do over 100K from prop firm payouts, and expenses are way less. So we've had a very profitable year with prop firms. Personal account said nice. It's been a great year. Great year. All right, this is some serious buying. We might be going back to VWAP, chat. We might be going back to VWAP here. We are still teetering these 25,000s. We'll see what happens. I think we have a good opportunity to go back to VWAP off this buying pressure. Because that's some big buying. How big was that buyout, chat? Hold on, say it. Look from the lows here. That was a 160 point buyout. 163 point buyout. That's crazy. Am I doing a giveaway today? We're doing one in the afternoon on the afternoon stream. Afternoon stream. All right, retest at 25Ks here. Vincey, you got to get the duck ready, bro. You really do. Market maker Mario. Mario, you out here market making, bro? Or did you sleep in again? You just woke up. Guaranteed Mario just woke up. Trade Asia, London. Yep, just woke up. Knew it. I knew it. Mario, you admit, bro, it's been. These candles are huge. These 1 minute candles have been 60 points, 50 points on 1 minute candles. Like these are the moves are massive. Let's see, what's our range today? It's gonna be big. Why does my chart keep doing this, bro? It's kind of annoying. Yeah. $230 points. Not bad. Not bad. All right, nice. Have a good one. Nice little pullback here on the NQ, retesting 25,000, maybe catching a little bit of a bid here to go higher. We'll see. VIX is up to 21, man. If we could get, like I said, we get a VIX at 25s, bro, that'd be nice. 25 to 30s. That'd be huge. Huge. Wow, we're really just chopping these 25,000s. Take a look at news real quick. Chat, if y'all don't use Financial Juice, I really encourage you guys to do it. Get the pro version because you get real-time updates. I can connect to the Squawk here, and I get real live updates as they happen. Nice, Mario. Yeah, that was a great short for sure. Wow, look at sellers coming through. G-man, dude, exactly. People need to be using small positions. Like this is not a day to be using large size. Not a day to be using minis. It is actually crazy today. I mean, look at this. Look at this candle, bro. What is this? Hold on. That was about 70 points right there on a 1 minute candle, chat. 70 points on a 1 minute candle. What is happening? This is not like, I almost just want to lock it up, to be honest. I almost don't even want to trade it. Like this is some PA that people are gonna really just blow out, you know? Mind the afternoon taking your kid to a doctor appointment if you. I mean, honestly, like you're probably in a good spot just to walk away. I mean, the volatility is nice. I love the volatility, but 70.1 minute candles. $70.1 minute candles, like that's a lot. Today has been my best day of the week, up over 900 and locked out. Nice, Venture. GG's, love that. A good day to blend the market. I mean, you're either gonna make a lot of money or you're gonna blow the account. I mean, it's one of two options. It's one of two options. You're blowing the account, you're making a lot of money. For people that don't know how to adapt. If you know how to adapt, then you might lose a little bit. But it's gonna be one of the two. Because you can definitely make a lot of money on days like today. But you can also lose it at the same time. Crazy moves it is, Sarti. It is. Like I said, 70.1 minute candles are no joke. I just realized I never posted that I was live on Twitter. I typed it up and set the link and I never hit post. What the hell? Oops. It's an old man move. Forgot to hit send. I know. I know, bro. I know. So far, chat, I really haven't seen anything to take. I mean, we are just kind of consolidating around the 25,000s. I'm not really seeing much that I'm too excited to take. I don't love this. I don't love that candle. That sketches me out for where we are. So I'm probably going to leave the 25,000s alone and let buyers or sellers just make a direction. But I really don't see anything here. Don't see anything yet. We are slightly red today. Slightly. Day's not over. We still got the afternoon. Hi, Miss K. Sellers are trying to pick up here. I think if we can break those 55s, we might have a chance to run down a little bit lower. My only concern with this is the buying pressure that we had right here. That's my concern, is whereas like this could act as a higher low. And we could kind of test in here like what this candle just did, test here, and then find a way to reverse back to the upside. I could see this being a higher low, but again, I'm not overly confident today, chat. I'm really not. I don't have my confidence levels on these types of moves. It's not really that high. So definitely kind of sitting back here. Any trades today? Yeah, Gleb. Yeah, we took one. We are slightly red. Slightly, ever so slightly. Really testing these 50s here. If we push through the 40s, I would anticipate lows. Bielka, what's up? When will the ducks run? This afternoon. This afternoon, we're doing a duck race for 50K straight to funded. 50K straight to fundo. All right, here we go. Pushing through those 40s. Coming down in the 30s. We might be revisiting these lows, chat. Oh my gosh, what is happening? There we go. Coming down, possibly revisiting these lows. We still technically could hold in the 20s, but man, this is kind of tricky. Little inverted head and shoulders there. That is one of the cleanest inverted head and shoulders I think I've seen. Holy. All right, bro. How we go, man? 5 minutes ago, you said we'll see VWAP. I know. I was wrong. I've been wrong today. I've been wrong in a couple ways, a couple different ways today. I think that's why I'm setting out as much as I am, because I don't have the confidence to trade this type of PA. I'm not overly confident in the price action. But I mean, hey, I can admit when I'm wrong. My win rate percentage suggests that I'm right 60% of the time. So there are 40%, I'm wrong. Not a lot of traders are able to just say, "Oh, I know." There's a lot of trade addicts. There's get the itch. I don't really need to. I don't feel the need to. I think that's why I get payouts the way I do, is because I sit out so much. I don't blow accounts left and right like most traders. There you go, Gleb. Nice. Chat, give me a second. I'll be right back. All right, we back. All right, trading these 30s here. Man, I could argue both directions, chat. I really could. I could argue a buy up. I can argue a sell off. The fact that I can argue both sides, I just don't love that. Seeing this whole buy up here get retraced is kind of wicked. But retracing this, I mean, I'm leaning more towards the lows getting ran. What up, Rasmus? Doing good. Doing well, doing well, doing well. All right, we're gonna come down to the lows, chat. Lows looking likely at this point. Lows are looking likely. Lows looking likely. Coming down, looking like we're gonna pop it. What up, Veronica? Trying to be patient with Nasdaq. Yes, it is. Yeah, today you definitely need to be. Any trades today? Yeah, we took one trade. We're slightly red. We took one trade. Slightly red. If this holds the lows, which I don't feel confident in doing, but if this holds the lows, that would be dirty. Because I guarantee there's a lot of people trying to trade a breakout right now to the low side. So if that holds, filthy. Rasmus might not be a bad idea. Nazi playing tricks. It is. It is. Like, sitting out today is a huge W, to be honest. If you're not trading today and sitting out, I think it's a huge W. I'm sure there's gonna be a lot of traders that would argue me on that. Like, what do you mean, Joey? The PA was so good. Like, it was volatile. We had moves. I mean, yeah, we did. But just because you made money doesn't mean other people made money. They probably blew out on this volatile day. So sitting out is a huge W, chat. Huge W. No position is a position. Even yesterday, I'm sure a lot of people blew up yesterday too. Guaranteed. Like, it's one thing to have volatility, but it's one thing to have like extreme volatility to where 1 minute candles are 70 points. We did tap those lows there, broke through them, broke through. That was also IB low as well that we snapped through. Like a buy up here would just be insane. I'm not overly confident in it, but that would just be wild. I still think we have room to the downside. 811s. What's the low? Hold on. What's the low of this candle here? Oh wait, it'll be here. 804. So 804. I think we have room to. $804s. We could probably see it today. That's only 70 points away, and we've already had multiple 60, 70.1 minute candles, so it could go in a hurry. It could go in a hurry. Definitely a day we're just looking for shorts. If you are taking trades, like short bias is all day long. Should I trade a London? I don't really trade London. I trade 2 time frames. I trade the morning and an afternoon. Those are my 2 best. Mornings being my better time frames to trade. I've learned, and actually we're talking about that on our next video here that we're doing for this series. I perform better in the mornings and afternoon. During the New York session. Every now and then I trade, I'll take a look at Asia, maybe trade gold, but my primary time frames are New York morning sessions and New York afternoon sessions. All right, cause still coming down here. There's 850s. You should try line a little slower, but for me, more comfortable. I mean, listen, if it works for you, it works for you. For me personally, it just doesn't work for me. I've tried. It really doesn't work for me. I don't perform well during London. Like I've traded London. I don't perform well. But we came up and retested IB low here. Still seeing a little bit of selling pressure coming in, rejecting off IB low. It's an adjustment for sure. It really is. Yeah, it really is. We're talking about that. In fact, this exact topic we were talking about today in the third video series. So I'm excited for it. It's gonna be good. With your news chat, you would have banked today in London. Maybe. Got a few good trades around 8:30 Eastern. Moves nice. There's some good. I mean, yeah, there's definitely some good PA that you can capture for sure. No doubt. No doubt. I mean, looking back, you can see here. I mean, we got this sell off. Nice little sell off there. So there was some good PA for sure. Definitely nice sell off. Video series is fire. Yes. I'm glad y'all getting value out of it, man. I'm glad y'all are getting tons of value out of it. All right, are we gonna break back above IB low here? Looking decent. Looking decent for a possible failure on IB low, chat. Have a nice low here, breaking above that, getting above IB low, showing a little bit of strength. Maybe we get a little bit of a failure here. That's some nice buying, bringing us back above it. See if buyers can maintain this strength back above IB low here. Or if we reject IB low, which we so far are doing. Back to 23,000. Here we come. Holy, that's down there. I wouldn't mind that though. Heck, give us a pullback. Market's due. Send it into the ground, bro. The market is due. Ismail, what's up? New all-time low. Send it to 0. That would be just that would be so bad. I mean, the world would end. It really would. The world would end. See how the Mag 7 is doing today. We got Nvidia down 3.7%, Tesla down about 4%, Amazon down 1.28%, Microsoft down 0.4%, Google down almost 3%, Apple is slightly green, up 0.5%, Meta is down 2.5%. Who's green, baby? Holy. Yeah, who's green on the day? I'm slightly red. Bitcoin is back above 100K. Thank you. Gracias. Nice, G-Man. Ismail, how much do you charge to teach Spanish? Like, how much to have like an hour to hour and a half conversations on Zoom? Two free accounts. Straight to funded. I just need somebody to speak with me for like an hour a day. Like I learn it fast. I can learn quickly. I mean, chat, for those that don't know, like I'm a gamer as well. On top of trading, like I love game. Like I think I'm a Call of Duty person. Okay, I'm a big Call of Duty gamer, and a guy that I play with, he is Hispanic. He's Mexican, and he has been teaching me Spanish as we play, and like we would talk. I'm trying to like learn how to talk to him in Spanish while we play, like learning like Call of Duty phrases in Spanish and using like Call of Duty to learn Spanish, you know what I mean? Because something I enjoy doing. I've always enjoyed it. I've played it since I was a kid. And so he's been kind of teaching me as we do that. Hola, Enrique. I can teach you Spanish, you can teach me trading psychology, and then a growth account to practice my psychology. That's a deal. That's kind of a deal. I'm actually not opposed to that. Learning how to curse does not count. That is facts, dude. Because listen. I may not rage on trading, but chat, I'll go full tilt in Call of Duty, bro. I really will. I won't full tilt in trading, but you get me in a Call of Duty game in Warzone, bro, I will full tilt immediately. First match, 5 minutes in, I'm already tilting. Golly, bro. Be playing Warzone, hopping on my drop spot, and then some person shoots me in my back and kills me, and I'm immediately tilted. It's immediate. There is no in between. It is immediate tilt. Maybe maybe playing Call of Duty as a trader is a good thing because it allows you to get all your emotions out right then. You know what I mean? You get all your full tilt out playing Call of Duty. And then you come to the charts with nothing left to give. I think that's the key, bro. That's the secret. He's played Battlefield 2. Nice. Hello, Kevin. They just came out with a new Battlefield. Battlefield has like a new battle royale right now. But Ismail, yeah, dude, I'm down if you want to make a nice little trade ski. I'm down. Game PCs are good for trading, yeah, because they can handle big programs and softwares. Kevin, don't want to talk about it. Do you remember this? When the only way to have a real tournament when you had to build a LAN party because we didn't have the internet. Yep. I remember going over to my friend's house and playing Halo and Call of Duty. And then you yell at each other for looking at each other's screens. Calling each other cheaters because they're peeking at where you're at. Those are the good days, bro. Going over to your friend's house, like you're done with school, homework's done, going over to your friend's house, playing video games, like playing Call of Duty and Halo, having some pizza, staying up till 2 or 3 a.m., gaming, texting your crush at the same time. You know what I mean? Like, those are the days, bro. Oh man, those days were so good. I'd give anything to go back to those days. Call of Duty was lit back in like 2010s. It really was. Crush responded, "Who's this?" Oh, ouch. Ouch. I couldn't get into Fortnite. I didn't either. I'm still a big Call of Duty player. What up, Sam? Yeah, we took one trade. We're slightly red. Jokes aside, back to your point, the only real way to learn another language is by real talks. I know. That's why I need someone to talk to me daily. I don't want to study it. I don't want to try to memorize shit. Like, I want to have like a real conversation and engage. Because I'm retaining it. Like even the guy that I play Call of Duty with, who's Mexican, he is like teaching me how to speak in Spanish, but like with Call of Duty, And so I'm learning it by like using an activity and speaking in within that activity, and I'm retaining it so much better. So if I could like learn Spanish in a way that like is an activity, whether it's around like trading or something that I'm good at and like I love doing, I'm gonna retain it. Do you speak any other languages? Trying to, but no. Trying to learn Spanish. Learning, doing something fun is the best. Yeah, exactly. Exactly. It's the best way to learn too. Like, just dive in. Like, Ismail, even if we like talk trading in Spanish, like I'm gonna retain it because I'm talking about something I enjoy doing. Yeah, Ismail, we'll just hop in my Discord DMs and we'll talk and plan something. We'll do a little trade. I'm not opposed to longs here. I'm going to take a small position long. We're 2 micros long. Only 2 micros. Joey about to have an English stream and a Spanish stream. I might. I might. Stop lights are lowest. Stop loss. Stop loss is the low. Ismail, I'm in a trade now. I can't focus on that at the moment. We're just gonna have to do it after trading. We're only 2 micros, chat. Very, very small. Reason being we're this small is because 1, the volatility of the candles. 2, we are going against the grain a little bit. But I like the fact that we ran the low and caught a nice buy up out of it. That's the reason why I'm taking this long. Because I think we could possibly go see IB low. But if we start getting this wicked selling again, then I'm going to get stopped out. Which I might get stopped out. This selling is insane, bro. Stop at the low here. All right, stopped out. All right, so that's gonna be it for me. I'm not gonna risk any more profits. So that'll definitely be it for me. Definitely calling in the morning. I mean, we're over 2. So, but the good news is we're over 2 trading very small. Over 2 trading very, very small, chat. So we're not down a whole lot, which I'm happy with. Very, very happy with. So we are going to call it a morning, and then we'll be back this afternoon for a nice little afternoon stream. And we're doing a straight to funded giveaway. All right. Straight to funded giveaway. You're going to want to be here. All right, chat. Stay beautiful. If you trade, be patient. Today's a volatile one. The candles are big. Don't get screwed over. It's Don't Fuck It Up Friday, baby. I will see you guys this afternoon. Cheers.